So I'm going to show you a few of the job openings related to .NET technology. Already posted in LinkedIn, but no one has been applied for those job posts, guys. Now let me show you what are those jobs. Okay. So I already sourced .NET developer positions through LinkedIn. So in the last 24 hours, I found 930 results. Okay. So first, let me check the first company. Uh, Company name is Reuters News Agency. Software engineers, 3 plus years in C Sharp, ASP.NET Core, Angular 8. It's around 8 hours ago they uploaded in this LinkedIn, but it's no one applied as of now. The company is also good, guys. It's not a startup company. The employee strength is 5,000 to 10,000 employees, and work location is Hyderabad. Okay, then what are those skills required? 2 plus years software development experience using front end technologies, Angular, JavaScript, TypeScript. Okay, Angular 15 plus is recommended, and back end technologies .NET, ASP.NET Core, C Sharp, data manipulation, and good understanding of cloud technology such as AWS, and experience with SQL Server and Postgres database, experience microservice. These are the main skills, guys, for .NET developer. Whatever you are mentioned, specified, these are the main core skills for any .NET developer. If you are a full stack .NET developer, front end technology recommended Angular, JavaScript. Okay. So to apply for the job, just click on this apply now button, and let me show you one more job also. This company also almost 3 hours ago, they uploaded their job post in the LinkedIn. Company name is Oko Technology. This is startup company, guys. Hyderabad location. 11 to 15 employees only. Zero people clicked up. So immediate hiring for .NET developer plus JavaScript to .NET Web API, 3 plus years experience, work from office. Okay, salary is 60,000 per month, guys. Okay, so if anyone interested, you can apply after carefully reading all these requirements. Okay, just click on this apply button. And let me show you one more company, .NET developer with Blazor, ATC company. 6 hours ago, zero people clicked. See, guys, that's why I already uploaded many videos in our YouTube channel. This is one of the most demand technology, but resources are very less who are trained on .NET technology, who have relevant experience on .NET technology. See, already 6 hours ago, this job post is uploaded in LinkedIn. Location is Chennai. Company name is ATC. Employee strength is 51 to 200 employees. Okay, so you can read all these skills. Okay, and you can apply for this job. Like .NET developer, cyber art company. Cyber art company, .NET developer. So 15 hours ago, over 100 applications already uploaded. Already uploaded. This is a 3 to 5 years of experience. And there are number of jobs are there, guys, for .NET developer who have more than who have about 3 years of experience. Candidate, they are definitely get job in this situation, guys. So if you still have any doubts to become a how to become a .NET developer, I have already uploaded in our YouTube channel. Okay, so if you want more useful videos like this, follow our byluckysir YouTube channel and share to your friends also. And if you really love this information, hit the like button. So I will come back with one more useful content video. Till then, thank you very much. Bye bye.